How to search on Grindr. Hello everyone, welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we will discuss how you can search on Grindr. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. After you log into your Grindr account, you'll come to the browse section like this. Now as you see through all the options in the interface, you won't find any particular search option as you can find on other social media platforms such as Facebook or Instagram. That is because you can't search for a particular name or a particular user ID on Grindr. However, there are a couple of methods by which you can search for a particular type or a specific type of profiles. One of the method is by using the filters. When you tap on this particular filter icon on the top, you will find various filter options that you can apply and search for particular types of profiles. This is the one method by which you can search on Grindr. The another method that you can use is the tags feature. Now depending on your location, the tags might or might not be available in your account. If the tags feature is available in your account, you can simply search for the profiles through the particular tags and then find specific type of people. So these are the only methods by which you can search on Grindr. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.